Hello everyone, welcome to visit Omni CNC Channel. This video showcases industrial-grade efficiency as we utilize a powerful 9KW high-frequency spindle to master the rapid and precise cutting of 20mm, 2 cm, thick high-density polyethylene, HDPE, sheets. The secret to achieving this incredible speed and cut quality lies in our optimized parameters, running the spindle at a scorching 24,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, while pushing the feed rate to an unprecedented 8,000 mm per minute, mm/min. This high-speed, high-power combination is essential for processing tough plastics like HDPE, ensuring the material is cleanly cut before friction heat can cause melting or blade sticking. Watch as we demonstrate the entire process, capture slow-motion shots of the clean, smooth chip evacuation, and reveal the final product with virtually zero burrs, eliminating the need for secondary finishing. If you are looking to maximize throughput on your CNC machine for thick plastic materials, this video is a must-watch to unlock the potential of high-performance cutting.